Hey, Android lovers! Ever wished you had a pocket-sized AI assistant that could do everything? Well, buckle up because today we're looking at the best AI app for Android. AI is everywhere, so from self-driving cars to chatbots that try and fail to flirt. But on your phone, it's a game changer. I tested a bunch of AI apps and one stood out. Let's check it out. Introducing Replika. This AI is like a Swiss Army knife for your phone. It's an AI chatbot app designed to be a personal companion, helping users with emotional support, casual conversations, and even role-playing. Created by Luca Inc., it uses advanced AI to simulate human-like conversations. Voice assistant that understands everything. Customizable avatar and personality to match you as your ideal AI friend. Creates images from just words. Oh, Picasso? Who? Answers any question instantly. Storytelling and role-playing. Users can engage in fun role-play scenarios, from casual chatting to deep discussions or fantasy stories. It's also like having a personal assistant, but without the attitude real-life uses. So how does it actually help? Let's test it out. Scenario 1. Stuck on a reply to a text? AI suggests a witty response. Scenario 2. Need a cool profile pic? AI generates a futuristic avatar. Scenario 3. Homework or work report? AI summarizes info in seconds. This app is basically my new best friend. I hope my current best friend OSN's watching this. If you are, sorry, Ethan. Cut to sad friend Steve looking betrayed. Okay, no app is perfect, so here's the good and the bad. Pros: super responsive, easy to use, free-ish. Cons: there is a free version, but the premium version unlocks the better features. Human best friends might be replaced. So should you download it, in our opinion? Yes, this AI app is a total game changer for Android users. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, so we can continue to make these fun videos. Peace.